I'm Dr. Hallisey. I'm a professor of medical imaging at Misericordia University, and I've been here for 42 years.
I'm Lori Zalna, and I'm an associate professor of medical imaging, and I've been here for 33 years.
I'm Lynn Blazaski. I'm assistant professor and clinical coordinator of the medical imaging program, and I've been here for 19 years.
I'm Dr. Capitano. I'm an associate professor and the chair of the medical imaging department, and I've been here for 20 years. We're going to tell you a little bit about ourselves and the medical imaging program here at Misericordia University. What drew me personally to teach at Misericordia is I'm an alumni of the program, and when I was here, someone who's my colleague now, my colleagues now were my teachers, and I just thought that they had such joy from what they did. And I said to them, I said to Lori, I'm gonna be you someday. That's what I want to do when I grow up. And lo and behold, here I am. Our program does a really great job of preparing students for their careers. We have such a large amount of clinical experience embedded into our program, and it starts early. It starts when they are sophomores. So in their sophomore spring, they are immediately out in a clinical experience. They get a variety of locations that they go to clinics. So they might spend some time in an outpatient imaging center. They might spend time in a level 1 trauma center, but they get a great variety of patients and clinical experiences, which really gives them good preparation for wherever they might choose to work. When they're a senior, they get to experience their clinical experience in advanced imaging modalities that they choose. So whether it be MRI or CAT scan or cardiac catheterization, again, with a solid foundation of clinical experience before they go out into the job market. And so I really think that the combination of all the clinical experience, the experience of all the faculty members here in the classes really gives our students a competitive advantage. I think the most exciting thing about them is the endless possibilities for them. And I think that as they learn and as they go through the classes, they recognize what an important part they play in the healthcare team. And so to watch them kind of grow and realize all the things that they can do, it's really, really exciting to watch and be part of.
What gives me confidence when I see a student graduate from our program here at Misericordia is the fact that we know what we've taught them. We go by a strict standard from our accreditors with specific criteria in courses, and we take great pains to constantly meet and go over those, and we do assessment all the time to make sure that we're meeting benchmarks. So we know when they graduate, they've had what they're supposed to have to be successful and to go out there and do what they're supposed to do as a radiologic technologist. What I would tell parents about Misericordia professors in all the years I've been here, I truly believe that we have all one main goal, and that is to see the students be successful and to try to help them beyond just teaching them in the classroom. Now, I can't speak to them as well as I can speak to my colleagues in medical imaging, who I've been with for decades. It's that we take that caring, in my opinion, beyond even what I've seen in other departments. We help each other. We make sure, for example, that if somebody can't be in class, we'll cover for them to the degree that we can. We don't just cancel classes on students because we have to teach them that content. We can't skip it, and it's not like it's going to be necessary for their careers. So we help each other. We care about each other. We have a mission here at Misericordia: mercy, service, justice, and hospitality. And I truly believe that guides our ethics. It guides our approach and how we deal with students. And I think that's unique here at Misericordia. And again, I can only speak for my specific department, but it's certainly evident in my department on a daily basis. I believe Misericordia is a safe, supportive environment for students for several reasons. When I think of Misericordia, if you just look around, you see this gorgeous campus that we're in what's called the back mountain. We're not in an urban setting. We're not in a downtown area. We're in a back mountain area that I consider to be a very safe environment. But in addition, on campus, because we're small enough, people get to know each other, and people do care when they can put a name to a face. And we have so many supportive services here that we have, policies and procedures in place to keep students safe, obviously. But the caring is really an important part of it as well. And people just genuinely care about the student. So we want to see them succeed. We all have the same goal in mind, and we all work toward that goal.
So as a parent, why should your son or daughter come to Misericordia's medical imaging program? There's a few reasons. Number one, experienced faculty. Between our full-time faculty, we have 114 years of combined experience. Your students, your son, your daughter are being taught by people who are absolutely qualified to do their job. Many of us are alumni of the program, so there's nobody that knows this program better than we do. We have small class sizes here at Misericordia where your son or daughter isn't just a number, they're a person. Our offices are open to our students every day, and we welcome our students to come in and sit and have some candy and talk about their day and talk about their dog and talk about their friends. And so we want to get to know them on a personal level. Why else do you want your student to come here? You want them to come here because you want them to get a job. We have had 100% employment of our graduates over the past 10 years. We are an accredited program, so we are required to report to our accrediting body that our students are getting jobs after graduation, and they absolutely are. When we talk about clinical experiences, students in the medical imaging program get a wide variety of clinical experiences that we find for them. No need to go out and find your own clinical experience. If you come to Misericordia, we take care of that for you. And again, it's a wide variety of places. As a student here, you're going to get to spend time in orthopedics, in trauma, with pediatric patients, with geriatric patients. All of those experiences, making sure that your son or daughter is going to be well prepared for their career. Another reason why Misericordia should be the choice for you and your family is because every day that your son or daughter is out in a clinical experience, a Misericordia clinical faculty member is with them. So we work alongside them. We don't just teach them in the classroom, we teach them in the clinical setting, side by side, working with patients to ensure that they are learning the best way that they possibly can, hands-on with patients. We have a safe environment here, so you can feel confident that your son or daughter is going to be safe, they're going to be cared for, and they're going to get a quality education from faculty members who are dedicated to the university and dedicated to the success of your son or daughter.
I'm proud to be a part of the Misericordia University for so many reasons. I've been here for 42 years. I feel this is just most of my life I've spent on this campus. And I just see the changes over time, that we're always trying to do better for the students and improve the student experience. And I'm just proud to be part of that. And I'm especially proud to be part of a department where the colleagues I have are I just love working with them. I think we all have the same mission in mind, and we all have the same goals, and that it's just a nice place to be.